Welcome to Kinabase, a smarter way to manage your business information. Kinabase enables you to manage all of the business information that matters to you, all from one flexible system, with AI at its core. Take control of your business information, processes, and tasks and build a solution tailored to your company's requirements. Use Kinabase to improve the efficiency of your team by having the relevant information right at your fingertips in one easy-to-use system. Today we're going to have a look at Kinabase and get familiar with how it works. Kinabase deliberately starts as a blank canvas so that you can customize it to suit your team's needs. First, we need to familiarize ourselves with some of the terminology used in Kinabase. The key terms to understand are collections, records, and fields. If you're familiar with Excel, collections can be considered tables of information. Records can be considered rows in a table, and fields can be considered columns in a table. A collection is a group of related things, or entities, in database lingo. This may be your clients, your projects, your products, or your equipment. Remember, this doesn't have to be a tangible group of items. It could be something intangible like a risk register for ISO 9001 compliance. A record is like a line or row in a spreadsheet, representing single specific thing or item in a collection. For instance, a specific client, or a project, or piece of equipment such as a machine. This could be anything in your business that you need to be able to identify and capture information on. A field is a property of that individual item or information relating to that item. For a client, this will include information such as the client's name, their address, website, phone number, and any other information relevant to that record. Fields can be set to different types. These types are the different categories of data you want to store. These help you process the stored information more effectively. Some example categories are text, numbers, links, locations, telephone numbers, and more. You can configure these to be a set of custom options such as progress status or the type of machinery. When setting up your database, it is important to understand that your collections of information can be linked or associated to each other. For example, a project may belong to a specific client. It would be inefficient to retype all the information about the client into their project record, so instead you create a field which links the project collection to the client collection. This means you can assign one or more projects to a client, and then when you click on the client, you can easily navigate to all their associated projects. Great! Now we've covered the basic terminology in Kinabase. These terms are useful and good to get familiar with, but don't be daunted. Kinabase is very user-friendly, as is our team, so please reach out if you need help. For a more detailed explanation of how to set up collections and add records, please see our videos linked on screen now. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed tailoring Kinabase to your business needs.